So for now, the case stands adjourned to 4th of November at 9 a.m. in the court premises.
National Service for Forensic Audit, but I'm a producer and I'm Baba Akufo-Addo din wo mu no. And I'm Sambo be to me say, Chroma Piety, ye Bibi and former president no Kwamfi Akufo-Addo sem. Na ye stripping off every title, even honorable Akufo-Addo no kwa no ye MP no minister kwa. Ye fi papa nsem. Na and serve as a deterrent.
After ye nyina ye bufu ye kasa akwa we also free office wo $50.5 million what JD unye dwuma bia no ade chi oso yakọ court ye refimpo ya update mo Kiseja Ben or say update update breaking news Kiseja Ben is a liar. All games on the mobile. That guy cannot be trusted. He needs to be sacked, investigated and prosecuted. Kiseja Ben needs to be jailed for like 10 years. Wajimu sikedi
court do baby as I been in a year court and more no kisi because one say NDC abanya ready say prosecution cost on be jail will be cases pa Mills Mahama back 2009 nipa ba ko ekome o man timi anjeli will be and none of the late president Rollins edwaye na bufu a eba NDC Mills Mahama so nyina because already we akofo e the minister say fa so aveyi me rice what dey kofo fa so jelly ni ministers na kofo so ni ministers ene mo ma ba ye former president kofo ene mo ma ba ye na Mills Mahama ba ye case we ya oh minu anom oh my brother hu hia na say sa chin sam sa 8 years sa no mo de koy na Akufo-Addo ba ye hwe NDC fo a wo jelly wo mo the last time make buga pele ene Philip Percy na kofo oka eye process court process no eye president Mahama na start ye but Akufo-Addo abreso ene convert wo ma jelly wo mo.
Please, he knows Kandofurata is working. He's not bedridden. If he wants to come, he will come. If his money was here and then it was his government, would you think he won't come? When he had COVID, or whatever it is that happened to him during the COVID time, and he was sent to Mayo Clinic, didn't he come back?
Chama Wontumi back again our court. Chama Wontumi ti wo beti na nian say court amana bench warrant say yem fa meche papa na say eh na we su ba mu da ba ni na say Chama Wontumi me pie mu court on the lawyer and the appear kubi akwa na ma judge say aha o ka say NPP na teso anase dey mon kan say brand je say eh police for me so ano omotis case na hurry up. Chama Wontumi ni lawyer and the appear kubi ni legal team ni na plus MPP before am go yeah we no go agree we no go agree obi na oba go share our police court Accra High Court enim say we dey yes na mo dem wa botere na enye no nko a ene ora no emu aye de bruta Accra High Court grodas aka kire abrante ba ko say he wo da oni lawyers for ku ye unya lawyer by Wednesday that na say unya new lawyer kai say o case no trial case no start we Professor Amia Kunfi that sky train papa na train no dey na from kwa yahu ne dey na wiem $2 million yes papa no wadi ne license for say case na mfa o mo dey na dey advance na NPP lawyers abebrebe amwoni na obi am person represent papa no enti Accra High Court aka say we yentimi ntwen say wontimi fa lawyer say lawyer bi ehu say case kwasi case na on fa dia ene da na obedam enti Professor Amia Kunfi, on Wednesday, you either bring your lawyer or in Sewom is waiting for you. Ghana say, Eja Tuntum Eja Koko, ha, a naked truth. Our Oldboga Trans, making sure, say oversubscribe, like it, not Shemonia, as you end up in the camera. We are for comments to comment section, because Chama Wontumi is back again. Our police custody in the way this time around. Hey, see the na you go invite no mochi na see their force have a tibio and another bench warrant for Chama Wontumi he what man to was in some no there say na Chama Wontumi nko fire na man for so fire no Captain Smart said by now can another crank ya chinda dada Nemo sentiment na kwan bia so ebeyi papa na se former president no yeyi ene de ya chama Wontumi onka bi chemu otwo ana obete se police fashion se eba ne fie no se ene so bio dia nkwa na mema ya mo be se mo chimi agotimi sunsun ni na yi adai chama Wontumi mabre one of friend lawyer and the appear could be say papa hey almost aba be chimi bio no say adai o say minimum o say any court na ya nko na be say fa ho t-shirt na ya shirt ade e ho na Wontumi si ya de say o go so mani mo no we na high court me say we na we be ga say swine who say man no dey me kai say chama Wontumi NPP te so na dan kwa akofo do ne ba omi awo so ya Nyankopon akofo boga nya swine onfo bi anya hwe o marry mu na god no display on the radio station TV station na me dey was catch obi bia na real money liquid money solid money hu bebrebe timi dead child friend say a former president John Dramani Mahama na after see the former invite okowie obe no gagai and yesama another invite by Yoko oye no gaga nche kai antena Yoko foko ni fie ne obete eyemunti ana me present mun sorry sorry na no abi foko gu Yoko fo ano de chama Wontumi zen ken no ano film pia kasa na nu yasie divorce have invite no after the invitation o mu ka wie ya na de che ni asa che ni bio ave chama Wontumi court so braso akwa ebuachi bi di wan sanko oti wan get say kwa so for the fifth time but when there why fast why hurry up oni the lawyer and the appear kubi agwa go pie mo na lawyer and the appear kubi this be aduru no asem no ya fono no because lawyer ba client ba within 10 months ya turn 5 times a day boni be nko na why on kan grant lawyer bresa ebi say adenti ana wa appeal court was obi say oni bem no oni for ana me say no de court and e be decide but for now say after all say you suspect there you are guilty until proven innocent and you are also innocent until proven guilty but we are suspect and the suspect also dey through so that
The matter was slated for today, Republic versus Chairman Wontumi and Akonta Mining. We presume that the time was 10 a.m., so we had prepared to come at 10 a.m. In any case, today's matter was a CMC, case management conference, and Attorney General was supposed to serve us with the discoveries 1 week before today. We did not receive any such service, so we knew that we'll come to court and take another date for Attorney General to be able to serve us. Only for us to get to the court before 10 a.m. and be informed that the matter had been called and adjourned and a bench warrant issued against Chairman Wontumi. We found that one disturbing, so we made an application to the registrar to ensure the court reconvened because the client was already in the premises of the court, except that we mistakenly advised him that the matter will be called at 10. So the court came back to sit and rescinded the decision in respect of the bench warrant. So for now, the case stands adjourned to 4th of November at 9 a.m. in the court premises. We thank you very much for your support and your guidance. We appreciate that. Let us not continue to belabor the point. It is only part of the process of the court that when an accused person is not present, when the matter is called, one of the issues that will arise will be whether or not the accused person deliberately refused to present himself in court. And unfortunately, we've been able to prove to the judge that we were thinking at cross purposes. This is not the case of the accused person refusing to appear before the court, but our mistaken belief that the court will be called at 10 a.m. I thank you so much.
But ababa e friend Coca our NPP communication member papa ne say on tiase o sa chama Wontumi ntie bebrebe yi ene sa bench warrant ya omu isu yi on tiase ase baby ade na du ayaye time o say ayaye time eni si for we die obi eni se mo na mo ya dwuma we baby ade na du eni ayaye time mo nya abotre mo wati na jama Wontumi no onu nko aye hwan ya onu nko ya te ne best 5 times yi adai bone ben on tiase wa dream ho ensisi so sa bench warrant ya omde ba ye eni kwa se nka eba ase Wontumi na se ne di se ya aya manfo bi omo government mu de entum so omo yesa.
We are in court. Wontumi got here 7:30. You all saw him when Wontumi got here. You bloggers, you saw him. You wanted to come talk to him, and he said he was waiting for his lawyer. You go inside, say, "You won't say Joy News. I a news card. Echo round say, yeah, issue bench warrants. But Wontumi and then the lawyer, what damn was he courtroom 4. Our motive was he so say so I'm a court. What you was he into mistake be a cause be. I think say it has to be rectified. It is untrue. He's in the courtroom. Odu has 7:30. No on any judge. The lawyers in him say court session at 10 o'clock. Into your ball 9:45 and you move court top. Into your courtroom force is here. Into say I had to say I am wondering who is peddling that falsehood. And it's on my Yowaha. Many Janana who say one of the Attorney General's assistants in the back say honorable. We are done with the court sitting. The judge has issued a bench warrant for Wontumi not appearing in court. But Wontumi is in court now. Oko courtroom 4 ha. Inti me urge mo mo de anko courtroom 4. Na mo kwhwe say Wontumi nti wa. Me da ase.
Exact time ben nobody ma Wontumi so
on 10 o'clock. But you saw us here. Bu so mo nyina wa han. We were here.
You were here before 10.
Yes, you be do at 7:30. And you call courtroom was 9:45. And Owaha, Nekani, he has been here. The whole place I am. Obenya prime parking say. No.
It's one catch was a elite.
Sana echo round. Our Joy News. Joy News are publishes is here.
See na abanisano. A thing na obeyafa.
Oh, na some more courtroom. See and we who judge in this ano. They will still lawyers know. They will go through the process. But we just wanted the general public to know. So Wontumi is in court or has here. Or what has here? Meaning we are. Me say move a court ako verify am courtroom for. Thank you.
So that means he has not been arrested.
No, see you issue we am ba
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Now, former board chairman Edema Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, Professor Amia Kumfi. Na Amia Kumfi Papa no sky train you sensem. Ka say na ya meka kire o. Say papa no lawyers fight pa. Mungamu nkwenye fight ketwa. Na when the lawyers for say o case na say baby ade ne ko de ani anya he o. Wo hwe akoye plea bargain na say sika no twa kakra. Na ja yeso ye lawyer fee fa ya de ma na pe baby kokoda o. Professor Amia Kumfi say la lai. Ana lawyer say ne ntimi nya adwuma ne to aso. Ana osuyo menya lawyer kofro na lawyer yi na papa yi wo pebia besi na ye law school ya man for the seriously say ba na nka madwuma pai criminal case de nka o charge bua $2 million ana ye je 2 million no ma me mu $100,000 ye be ye dwuma eti order so a open lawyer o ye nya bi kai say lawyer atachia a lawyer de ma adubuahin now the same person as a lawyer edima adubuahin the wife Angela Boateng. Not the same person say a lawyer, Emma Medridonko, the third accused person in the Adubuahin case. Yeah, hey, Medridonko say, the lawyer touching Papa ni Meduma. I said the questions no busa so baby you didn't go question no go share mu and also train ho. And the minimum there is SCA and MPP for ni be amochi of lawyers need than say. Na we are lawyer touching our Adubuahin case na mu. Baby azu na dey say as a judge ni person obetie no o say asem ye ntun sheda na the do that for na ye be kan wasem lawyers judge said dey bi and say and say dey lawyers mo mesen ye mbie no we say you demonstrate me na we say ye ni abre case ni dey get so to sheda as you are joining case no but hey judge and finu man storming out of court and now the next one na see any say Professor Miekunvi also pay lawyer. Ah, on your lawyer. Court. Ah, done say when your lawyer. On your lawyer. Say on me for the one. The state will get one for him, you know, on your ready. On Wednesday, they will create out. China. Opeo. Ompeo. Ghana court. Everything the case in the Zundino on your ready. When you catch the give to worry. Man say abra na onu so oye ne ho hide and seek as obeba say oh my one court say one can check again say me pair off the next day say wa ma court me ne me be jasem enti professor me akunfi onu so hit pa ene nam ne ho na captain smart say he o ka no kore play enye play mfa ya nka no kora o baby na kora ne da no won fa nto a efiri to o say OSP Nancy Kevin Taylor kai no onye hu ni ye na sana akwa ni ye we wudi ni basa akwa ni ye kromfo ma na enye me say OSP bi o se hwe OSP o se OSP no twika sakese o se na NPP fo bi di OSP atem na di atem na omudi o Paul Adumo kire ensem o kafa OSP hu friend small boy a 43-year-old small boy you want to be riding big cars o we no say kind of friends Canadian Japan. Also, the OSP attempt to say and circle. He's very foolish. Also, he's always in a time. No. Captain Smart is both defend. Gidi Sergio Ramos pa. Why no who a John Mensano or Ginatine Pilanetti no Bob defenses. I find what not see us could say. Hey, Sana the MPP for ya Quanina now deserve it. Also, only corrupt people now more MPP Munu. Ama from Kaba, cartel. Ana chese sigano ben na edie. Enti de aye ne say hey. Case no fako delay. Sa no mu delay ko.
Abobo ye sign Lexus and V8 to na OSP no way.
Yantia 1910 yantia.
Professor na no ke galamsey asem no your friend say. Papa ya no ye best heart surgeon. Ojai. Professor Frimpong Boating. Ojai. O ke galamsey asem say excavator be 480. Ayra now OSP wa hi ojai when you enter OSP by ya mfana mbasa on prosecute obia ojai sa office na kufa do create say ada ombe fi aban mu no won kase obu nim samfo mbedi na wa frustrate aban foforo beba say na be you to prosecute obia it is OSP pesa ochi kenofurata pam Ghana for hadiu ono ani MPs enye MP1 nye 2 nye 10 nye 20 nye 30 nye 40 nye 50 enye 60 enye 70 enye 75 88 ojai MPs are sorry say ojai akwa ne say o man no ojai obi aba Bobby 77 billion Bobby said sa bonds nkwa we raise 11.3 billion dollars 11.3 billion dollars. Okay, now there was something to Yaka. How? You can so and echo. OSP person chicken for that and think I who told you? Next point. Ya to abewie. Nana do lose election. Baumie lose. NPP lose. Can of rat and am kroma. Abaina obeba ye be swear in no. Chief of staff say friend say. Ghana chief of staff say. Oh, I don't know. Julius Debra, issue statement. Say, Wubia! Winning say, Yapo Udin, our corruption related matter biamuno. OSP, or make sure say Sani Padon to coin. Meboa. And then I can offer still on the diplomatic passport to coin.
Bibini, oh, Bibini and Nipo. Bibini.
Yeah, two abandoned here, you know. Can offer attack or hospital. US. What is Ghana near Tiaga? Your bosom nobody wechi. And I only your bosom nobody wechi. Say in the diplomatic passport only chrome ha. Now attend that in. At the time now can offer the diplomatic passport to the two coin or to coin in the name of Ghana. So as a stance, which means the diplomatic passport to influence them and one order them.
Bibini, oh, Bibini.
Mami Chabuna Tiazi. Ojai. I buy issue statement say who a diplomatic passport Fabra. But me kwa just smart fan say mini bi mpacho mini diplomatic passport me dey cancel. fancy with diplomatic passport. And I'm a passport no to coin in the name of Ghana. Me, I'm an official trip. Intisa, Emrano, and Chime. And Ken or to coin in his capacity as the finance minister of Ghana. Or the diplomatic passport in the form. In any case, OSP, so person chicken for yata. Sanko becheno. Shakukwasa, oh yeah. Eban sena NPP phone kwana na omudidi OSP ata. Me, I sat here and defended him. Me betra have defended Office of the Special Prosecutor. Meanwhile, now Paul Admochiri, Odinatem, me wa. And I'm Rafi. And then Paul Admochiri and Kanchre, Office of the Special Prosecutor. On crowd there, or Bokisi Jabindi, and did attempts on a small boy, but on me wa. And a Canada Japan, so on also MPP do no. Or catch a Ghana for such a Kisi Jabin say. Why is that MPP phone one and not Jabiatem? The reason was that they had then come to understand, say, that office was not created to fight for Ghana, but it was a barrier to protect certain individuals.
When we are science and systems.
Oh, Hannah, Babe trust statement. Yeah, can red alert. Oh, Hannah, get it. Yeah, alert. When answer number Akufo-Addo did make catch say National Service for Forensic Audit, but the ama producer and number Akufo-Addo din wo mu no. Na me sambo be me say, Chrome Apayati, ye nya bibi anje former president no kwamfi Akufo-Addo sem. When now you're stripping off every title, even Honorable Akufo-Addo no MP no minister kwad. Ye give papa nsem. Na and serve as a deterrent.
Osi we nu he the idea pa ya Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo osi by now nka ye je sa di na ye friend of former president ye je fini so. Na nka ye twetwa ni history ni mu 8 years no. Ya pepa ye di tese ye friend say Desta apepa say the actual black box or ye pepa no. Osi na nadu di ni kwan say wo Ghana ye history book mu as a former president da krono oboa ye supervise ma ye boy ye o ma wi mu no eni kwan kwan say mistake ni case enti ohu de ntia as anema we asi say ye hwehwe mu ye na OSP ni ye pamo na ya pamo no na nsema Paul Adumotre eni kede ya Japan ka kire OSP ni ye was nenye ebi e tai but adenti and at the same OSP and or NPP time. Na NPP for na fight so because oh na nka oche NPP for no too. Etin say asem na si. But Kevin tell Captain Smart say oche wan na atumo nti obi antumu. Oye na Kevin tell say menua ene wey bato no fama me so mage. Ma me so nto aso na me fire OSP. Awo this say na me ya me fire ba aku mienu me ense wie ya. OSP yantia say breaking news. Update. Oh go update here. Osani keno for that issue that no a human rights court no e no na papa ni be update no say the end na ka fa ho so keno for that law is the court na court no dey speak ko no ni na na kura na say papa no say me client na wanted or you fugitive me person ansem no eni kwa say nka this adi no afra me client going free so. Second one, and he said, me case na me amede bae no, me manya new discoveries be new information, new data be abeboa mama defend me client ni ye. Ba ma fan share me document ni mu. Enti mo abotre. Na mo nya abotre kakra mfa ma me na me nsanko. Enko redress bibia kama. Ano say Kevin Dela zinti asem no. Afi na mo go so fight say oye wanted fugitive. Anase onye. Eno so Judge Pada na ba say pa ene November muton na masaba back and say be say November 29th no say ye asem ba ko mo be say mo dey how many months na e kan say we say ya no mo ye Judge phone dibi na OSP dibi na client dibi say ya o mewie munchendi na case no 4 years na so ne ya kan wie to Kevin Taylor say John the money mama Baby Andrew no ya treche mamu ehun yi and the one take action be na say so kra ka hu bi and baby Andrew no fire on the mountain run Tijon the one mama on fire office of the special prosecutor boss kisi aja me and on scrappy south no gra everywhere.
Let's listen to the lies he told us. After yenyina yebufu ye kasa akwa we also free office wo $50.5 million what JD unye dwuma bia no ade chi oso yakọ court ye refimpo ya update mo kisi aja ben o say update update breaking news on one case o say oh Kenneth Oforiatta versus Office of the Special Prosecutor and 2 others. Or my update. Yachina also the update ba update in the or say the Human Rights Division of the High Court had 2 motions in the case Kenneth Oforiatta versus Office of the Special Prosecutor on Thursday, 23rd of October 2025. Counsel for Mr. Oforiatta moved motions for A, discoveries, and B, leave to amend the originating motion on notice. Both applications were opposed by the counsel for the OSP. The court directed both parties to file and submit their written submissions by midnight 24th October 2025. The matter has been adjourned to 25th November 2025 for ruling on these 2 applications. The suit, filed by the former Minister for Finance and suspects in a number of investigations by OSP, challenges the office declaration of him as wanted and contests the office legal authority to make such pronouncements public. Also, breaking news. Yako court and saying, Mama update. He said you be a dangerous guy. Also, Yako court no. The Kosi and say, Eye Kenofurata lawyer, catch the court to say. Eye nyoma miedu bi na opese okoye asem na ye de abeto kota ye kan ho asem no ye fra bibi discoveries opese odotuko na okohwehwe ensem a ebeboa na ensem ye ka say discovery asem we wo court na lawyer ba ko ka say bepese be koye discovery a na say asem no onim say asem no ho adanse bi bebi e obebi bebere a okohwehwe de aba okope engineer so bi a be ma na asem egina ne na aso. And technically, court in Chime, Namin Kodosko, Namin Koshes, Menya, Engineer Sobia, a bet me mamma some legina and aso. Your friend discoveries. And as some Makwa, can of Rata lawyer, Sakacha judge say, Oman Hokain, na embraso, and say, a year opese asemna ye start ye na ye jadru bia mpona ye nka ho asem no. Se sia de wo court no enya asem na nkasa o. Asem ne 19 ye prepare o say omo pese ombesa eje omo asem ne sade ko na omo ko twro ne foforo omo amende kerofurata lawyer ne kansam mienu o so ensam no de buy na omo twro no abeda court oda dada and the omo kan ho asem we efa say special prosecutor edi krata ba bonti beka say kerofurata eye wanted eno no mugina ho court no eno na kiseja be my ho update o so we the update ni kire say embre bia me twro krata me ka say kerofurata eye wanted no ne lawyer ewo court Kenofurata de mako court says I wanted the man menchiro emfa no ho enka so I wanted and no update no de ba he no na eye Kenofurata lawyer e ka kire judge ne say sanyoma mienu no discoveries okodosuko akohwehwe nsem nim na okohwehwe nsem nim a thank you Mr. S na afi okohwehwe ngina so ebeboa na asama ye de ena 2 asem na ode ba ye na nkasa kura na opese otwe e ba abontene na omukọ sakrem na omusa de ba ena judge ne ka kire omu say Sibia ensem na omukan bebreza no omumienu nko twro erade medisa jo Mahama enra omuvu judges bia ko se appeals court so ka kire omu say sa enkwase delay no yentwem wo Ghana judge ne say oh ende mumienu no munko fie na munko twro gu paper so na munfamra enti judge no atu asem na kohye November 25th November. Ayila. Judge say almost 25th November. And 24th. That means say time a judge ne catch no it is after a month. Omunko take 1 whole month. no mo ko trans no mo ntro omo reasons ntia Kenoforiata lawyer ne say opeso kwa amend case no na den secondly okoye discovery a wo se judge ni gitum and a special prosecutor so eka se ompene enti eno keke no omo nko 1 month no omo mbra on say we ni de omo anjeje wanjire mu aha intendre chi na okọ court no de okoye djuma okodi yenie obe delay mu mamubewu sa eye special prosecutor or ye dangerous me say obi o wait body safo bia or a dangerous person oni ma me fa nkyere mo me ka chem say akwanitifu a o wait modern safo na Mr. S dwen say me boa enye timodern safo ni timifo a o wait modern safo a o ye beifo akwa we kisi ja ben tetene na nke ye kọ wo a ankode na chi beifo na aka beifo na so na ode ahoma chichire beifo na ode achichire no ho otumi de ahoma chichire ono aka na achichire beifo na beifo ni dinechi kisi ja ben is a liar. All games on the mobile. That guy cannot be trusted. He needs to be sacked, investigated, and prosecuted. Kisi Jabi needs to be jailed for like 10 years. Wajimu CKD. Update way, and I'm actually much on enye bibia. Omo to me after so move case after a month. Into the Obeka tre eye Attorney General say he is still in court. He's gathering evidence because right there's a discovery. He is never going to bring Kenoforiata. This special prosecutor is a friend to Kenoforiata and his family. He has a bond, a contract with the Kufuado family. He is never going to lead that job. So the earlier we get this in our heads, the earlier we understand the guy no omubuye fasono, the better for all of us. Let us stop this comedy of trying to please some people and trying to be so diplomatic about things. The special prosecutor is bad news. Oye beifo or ye abeifo ason. Kisie Jabe is a liar. He's playing with all of you. What is so special about this nonsense? What is special about this nonsense? What is special about it? You call court. And a court, almost say, amendment, almost say, quiet discovery. And I'm say, I have opposed it into another month. You should be ashamed of yourself. It means clearly you are delaying the case because this is something you are not even supposed to tell us. You have not even crossed that stage whereby the judge will even rule, say, this guy, what he's asking for. Because you see, Kenoforiata's lawyer is a bad lawyer. But it is because a special prosecutor is not doing his job. That is why Kenoforiata's lawyer looks like an intelligent lawyer. One of the weak-minded fools in Ghana. But you see, because it's a home game, because it's already planned, it's every time they are in court, it makes Kenoforiata's lawyer look like he's smart. But Akwanwa bonse kusie. But it is deliberate. Kusie Jabi makes fundamental mistakes in court, which he knows. Sameda Akuna ordinary DHE Edinburgh Special Prosecutor's Office. Let me tell you, the strategy people didn't see it. Kisie Jabe, he moved his law firm to the Special Prosecutor's Office. The amount of money Kisie Jabe has been able to make as the OSP, Sankotina law firm wa ankonya 1% of that money. So Sami Dakuna Ohono, when you go and read the background, Sami Dakun is a media person, right? Now, that is why, even though Okoye law, he has created a position for Sami Daku to be doing his media bidding for him. And if the special prosecutor wants to enter or infiltrate the media space to force some narrative, he uses Sami Daku. And he has created that position for the guy. And until last week I say, we need to start from Sami Daku's portfolio because the OSP's Act, it does not cover Sami Daku's portfolio. He is being paid illegally at the OSP's office. And if anybody is serious about prosecuting OSP and these people, they are basically taking illegal money from the taxpayer. It's simple as that.
Nana ama ajako ezo say OSP we pa de nyame say yen kan no kwese o case ye na medizo na OSP sika ya spend dem OSP na besi ne on timi declare case ba ko kura say we ma wini from NPP time besi NDC 10 months o say Ghana for muntu na Kisie Jabe ni office of the special prosecutor so omo bibi ya commander dada omu ni hwe omu ntimi nchi hute omu ntimi nchi kote Wontumi nti obi a ti mo relax.
Me say yen create office bia wa Ghana say fa mankofo no mo fa nye yi o. Yen fa taxpayers money ye yen sika de aye akwanfo kwantante nipa nam so. All in the name of fighting corruption. Office of the Special Prosecutor 8 years ni nipa ba ko pekure no ma yetimi prosecuting say we say de wa fa ye sika na e bia ye sika we de free nipa kwa no back ye jeli we. Ebi si da Honorable Ayefense Ayadom Levo, former Auditor General. What you want me? Now on say charging for this kamaye. No one say charging for this kamaye da. Ena President Akufo-Addo ebe ho no man e pam no or free no office. But who institution state institution na ya die si ho no mo no. Kise jabe ba ye matemi dem so mo mafia no. Because omo hu so ye snake. Oye cobra omo ala na obewiri wo mo obe expose wo mo ento mo mafia no akadia na wose ne nsaka ne nsanka matem do the statement bi ba se kisi jabe office was spending over 60 million Ghana cedis enfa so de be na de bere wo man no e de enfa so na de bere Ghana eye waste enfa so de ba ya ne se omo na the so called admirefo special prosecutor no negotiations la bianca ne akọ negotiate ni agidi say bem no ma ye yie tisila brother pa ni agidi say bem ni ye yie na eniema e waso mu reveal hia Ghana for ye gina so e prosecuting nkrofo no o ma negotiate agi hu sika awie ni nyina sika ni o ma agi awie na kire se Ghana de se ye kwa ya ne se ye kwa ne se ye kwa no se ye kwa ya ne se kire se o ma ne de se de ye ya ne se ye ya ne se ye ti medical ya kan ha say from the one and I'm catch the NDC government say unless say omo doing say former finance minister on be prosecuting because omo doing say on be prosecuting omo rely on Kisia Jabe enti deputy AG when the attorney general ankasa Dr. Dominic Kayeni when the same side sadia na mo kanu sa samu amo kanu Ghana fo nyintum sa explanation sa nchechemu fo na mo de ma Ghana fo nyintum because me na ma me security person me ni aban mu me nya lawyer but niema kisi da be start ye February no me nkasa me tena radio so kan se wo boa e agenda enti na attorney general wo kache me say o rely o depend on kisi da be docket so and why your repatriation process and you can for reata. What it means that you people are not serious. You people are not serious. Now, me say we should Ghana back after President Rollins exit. President Akufo betray 8 years. Mahama betray 8 years. And Akufo-Addo betray 8 years. NDC aba. We should top government officials appointees top 10 government officials. Ya jeli wamwa omunyina ya NDC for. President Kufobe Jeli, former President Wallace, ni ministers, ni trade minister o Jeli no, ni finance minister o Jeli no, ni deputy finance minister o Jeli no. Ba kubi sukraka o Jeli wamosa. Kwame Pepra o Jeli no. Victor Salome o Jeli no, Dana Bodafi o Jeli no. Ena emisa bako Alaji Adam Ibrahim ba kubi sukaho o Jeli wamo. Wamu nyina aye Jeli John Wallace ministers obe Jeli wamu nyina. Ni nyina ya yisa aveyi me rice aveyi me sa special grain ready ben ni kwa de say aveyi me rice rice almost a racket to be from America have cast be ebe the CV finance minister deputy minister trade minister and one minister o jeli wo mu nyina President Kufuor 8 years enema obeje oni the ministers ebe je ye wo Ghana ha say no but she ojeli wo mo no a Mahama ba mo ntimi angeli nipa ba kokora asumdue hene father for all my sisters and brothers or my sisters and brothers sanya anko to this are different well timi angeli wo bia then information minister one na yere asabi ono de asamoa boatin Asamoah Boatin etimi kwakwa na down for ba wa ye contractor document conflict of interest ebe je contract e woni kunu ho e ko court edu baby asabi ni ne yire court ni mo no mu kisi Because woman say NDC abanya ready say prosecution e koso mbe jeli wo bia. Cases pa Mills Mahama beto ye 2009 nipa ba ko ekome omo ntimi anjeli wo bia and run at the late president Rollins edwaye na bufu a eba NDC Mills Mahama so nyina because of the way akofo e the minister se fa so avayi me rice what then for so jelly the ministers na kofo so the ministers and em o maba ye former president kofo and em o maba ye na Mills Mahama ba ye case we ya oh minu anom oh my brother hu hia na say sa chin sam sa 8 years sa no me de koy na akofo ado ba ye hwe NDC fo a jelly wo mo the last time make buga pele any Philip Percy na kofo ka process court process no president Mahama na start ye but na akofo ado abreso any a convert wo ma jelly wo mo
na senyo hosi se hwe mon kan che kero for rata se onampam onyare ye hu pictures se ne watono o on na restaurant odidi good odidi filiwa na carry water sensema o ye no enya sam ketwa oni ne wa so mutwi street no odi do romantic mind o se hey mon kan chere papa no on samra back to Ghana na finance minister say twetwam ni na obi ani wa ni party co opposition o dan say da kwa we dan you enti ope baby eduru yan kan je office of special prosecutor eso ntimi mfa na ma papa ye ka chere wa direct bro ansa na baby eduru no ye ani bra ba wa ma na ye ni bri koduru baby ya OSP say on dey protect you so ope what you on dimenyo
my brother who is not well your eyes you are wearing special are you well who is not well in Ghana? Who is well in Ghana?
No,
if your pocket is not well, we are not
well. If he cannot bring himself down,
please, he knows Kanofurata is working. He's not bedridden. If he wants to come, he will come. If his money was here and then it was his government, do you think he won't come? When he had COVID or whatever it is that happened to him during the COVID time, and he was sent to Mayo Clinic, didn't he come back? Left here in Ghana at the time. How did he sit in the plane to go? Please. Stop playing cha-cha with people's lives. People are very upset. And let's not wane their confidence in democracy. For me, it's my biggest problem. So everybody, you know, Kenoforata, have faith. Pray your prayer. You pray everything. You wear white. Wear your white. Do blow your tongues. And come to Ghana. And come and solve the matter. OSP. Do your work. AG, no grammar. Whatever it is, deal with the case. If the guy is guilty, he's guilty. If he's not guilty, he's not guilty. There's no way that you can say that these cases that have been mentioned are matters of their political prosecution. Every Ghanaian had a major interest in this particular matter. So resolve it.
Great.
Sansemia Abubay from Chama Wontumi bench warrant. Court a grant and can cost one and no America. I go PM court demo. Professor Amia Kunzi ono so sky training $2 million ashi wedi ya kare kudi ya mutu kudi sikana da wodi ya nyane na ne lawyer for so apono ono so mu ni case ni mani bi o pe lawyer besi na onye lawyer nti we lawyer na se uni aduma bia ya aprarate court say ono so womra wa ma asemesi uwe adubu ahe gift o ware ene o say asibe antwi 2.2 billion Ghana cedis. Yes, Omodia. Now we read the so we na a legal directorate edema NPP Ibrahim Ishak Esquire as perhaps the people the Attorney General found guilty through their actions like the Hanan case are the reason we the NPP lost power to the incompetent NDC. And according to Ishak Ibrahim Esquire lawyer just say enka NDC dey enka omunyima dwuma ye ba go say come you very incompetent na mom no problem no pa ni say akronfo na we MPP na moa baby omamoa oso we Abdul Wahab Hanan dey ba akofo sika wadi sika so wudi ye school balance sika omo kro no mo mpeni4 kro no o ma de ye tan say ya bede na MPP ye hunye hi o se akronfo na we MPP na mo bo MPP o mbo Ghana 4 kro no enu ka ho na ama ni na NDC ye o ma sign incompetent NDC to abama Ghana for to abama in this void now. Because a crown for now MPP no. I'm one of me say are you. A crown for now move no MPP. For 8 good years. Now president now also is so good. Only incompetent. No way. I want you be I don't Ghana police for we no. Na so therefore Ghana mo. Na see the for na NI before ni bia na for no mo. Na security service e bia ni adwuma na court egu. Eboa. Na court ni ho. Ni agakodi asa na nya say omudi for. Ana omudi be. Na investigators audit generals anyhow. Ah me audit ehun se sika omudi. Oh. MPP ni na ka say. Mo be ku yo si na eno na Paul Yando my favorite communicator no Ashanti regional communication director papa ni say asema Isaac Ibrahim Square kan enukro because the time pa no no secondary school no to me miss gare ana a friend is a toothpaste no wedi but nana dan kwa akufo ado adawru ma nana show boy nana gagai nana oba oya de ni na ye nana ne ba ye man ne school kwala no omu di peche omu di kama very good and fantastic o si we na omu ye ya na nka Ghana fo begina so ato aba mo na mmom no kakra bi kro no bonti ana ma omu bresa esa di anka the MPP ye man free education and na nkwala ni good no there's no way anka MPP ni ba omia ebelusu the 2024 election
no ehwe se ye di nokure akire obi bia na meka akire obi bia se wo hwe nipa dodo a na e wo secondary school ansana MPP aban eba 2017 a 800,000 oti ase 800,000 ye baye ye di free education baye ye increase enrollment no oti ase 1.6 million oti ase enrollment aba at the time it is a utina ha na wo kase ene momu no ena education no enkoye nana jo Mahama ena started progressive ene hwanhwa mini obia nim se ye ka free education pa obia wofo wokọ a wontwa hwe ni ade a eye nana do danko akofo ado ene ne ya wo kase PTA na bana PTA no
ka asem Solomon no chem se mo ho no MPP mo no mo he dade ade bi asena mo di dwa mo num se ye the free such ba obekọ na mo nto books
yes
aduane ye quality aduane papa bi ani ho no ka bi indiscipline ho de me head and na sesa but no che say indiscipline na ekoso pa education no ye ntia obi free education
me nua soldier hwe ade bia wo de baba bia no Matthias ade bia wo de baba bia no policy bia wo de baba there will be challenges o ye nka say na without blemish ana say enfumso ba ku kra say eni ho oti ase despite aduane ani enfanko books ani enko enkra no results ana eba no net sen oti de kana say hwe mimi was secondary school at a point me ho tremia ma na pest student ya de mam say me fan twetwe me sino na me kabom ni gare na me di oti ase
pest student ni gare
yes
wo ko secondary school
yes so poani ade ama me say me fa nware no na me de kwaji banku
Allah
opa fa di agro enso ene mani age baby amaba bedu e wo mabrabo because the turning point in one's life so one hwe no am manage ni year nipa na brabo say completely it is yenya wo bia ode hihye beba and in this case no aban aye nyina tua taxes ma no all this years ni nyina nipa dodo no aka se taxes a ni etua no ni enya so mfaso it is yenya aban a wono na ni ku education ho o se media all forms of monetary issues me ye free makwemu akora no nya na somdwe no mfa nsua de a we ya aban wo se ye boni chidom ene ya PTA wo ka se PTA bai minia soldier PTA na ye ka no e free ana PTA na ye ka no e free unim se PTA dues nti awofo bi ba ntimi nko school What you say? But the policy and then say
no this school blocks near.
I no see school. Educhum on see 80 on commission 80 projects at a time.
Now we na mi buse eh poyando. Papa na yando ati. Hey, na NPP. Afini ya Abraham Wahab. Odunku ani sikai edi mu fake. Come school gbala se omuni na se omuni. Ni e won gbala na bia no na enye. Bido yame aduanu di abenya bari. Wo ye be ma abenya bari wo ti wona obi hwe wa ho. Aduanu just pepperless, magiless, saltless. Oilless, bibialess, feeding. Ni anwa. Ni e decide am school gbala se omuni. Wo say ye. Ayo obi ase ye de ani ate. Eti po kwamna ya no na e ka say enkanya kronu ya few people in the NPP gobo ya check yi enka hu jo Mahama enka Dr. Mahmoud bo mi be say di na de but dey we ni na no sam kwofo na nti lawyer Ibrahim Ishak esquire say NPP bra mo bre ni na the NPP opposition na the incompetent NDC ewe incumbent omombo kron titiri Sir Abdul Wahab na the National Buffer Stock Chief Executive Officer former no check yi omamwa but so omubo ayo omamwo court say chairman Wontumi anka wa man na bench warrant say kwagote no for the 5th time but only the lawyer and the appeal kubi omaye fast hurry up omo de ho kwagote we be kan kure who say man no dey for comment no for to comment section na in sebebri and e so chairman Wontumi case ni mu bebere so na e so e professor Amyo Ekunfi so this sky trade $2 million na che say ashi yedi ya carry no and so all conscious so answer high court only lawyer court say oboa lawyer or without lawyer otina Wednesday o case ni started and either so be ne and so ba no say my lord I'm guilty na say na fufufu and that's how dia obe fabre if free betu when the professor what the professor no be prophesize adia ma wa ho nyesa oni ma yo mpai boy yo and answer kompai boy yes I ubedem tem why a naked truth Oldboga trends for comment no eto comment section na say for me we are subscribe like it na share mo nya so enye bi ebe edi no eba akopem Maxi Billian Macrao bye bye.